So in this video, Dak and I go flying. The whole mission behind this flight is for us to fly from Concord, California down to Half Moon Bay. And there's several ways of doing it. In this case, the plan was for us to transition the Golden Gate Bridge, head south to Half Moon Bay, land there and just hang out for a couple hours before coming home. The weather in Concord was excellent, no problems. But as we started getting closer to San Francisco, the clouds started pushing us down more and more. I think at one point of the flight, before even making it over the water, I was at around 16 or 1500 feet. As if getting pushed down by the clouds wasn't enough, just as we're making our way over the water of the San Francisco Bay, I checked ForeFlight for the weather at Half Moon Bay, and it just gone marginal VFR. Since we had no other mission that day, I hung a 180 and flew back to Concord. And that's the video that you're about to see. Hope you enjoy.
Concord Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is holding short 1 and a right, request right, crosswind departure.
System 9501 Whiskey Concord ground, hold, correction Concord Tower, hold short runway 1 and a right landing traffic.
Hold short 1 and a right, 01 Whiskey.
System 0 Whiskey right, crosswind departure, approved runway 1 and a right, clear for takeoff, east Cessna, up 1 distant right, close traffic.
Okay, 1 and a right, clear for takeoff, right crosswind departure is approved, traffic inside, 01 Whiskey. Okay, everything is in the green, got fuel, everything is looking good, and full power. Alright, engine instruments are in the green. Speed is alive, 60 knots, and here we go.
System 7 Echo Papa, runway 1 and a right, clear for the option.
1 and a right, clear for the option for 7 Echo Papa.
Alright, let's actually do a little bit of a better climb rate. Now let's trim for that. There we go. I just want to make sure I'm over those hills. There we go. Yep, I see the bay, everything is looking good. Maybe we'll come down just a little bit here. I got a lot of headwind, actually tailwind. No, actually headwind. All right, let's stay right here. See, if I can see straight ahead, we're going to be right below them.
Echo Papa, runway 1 and a right, clear for the option.
1 and a right, clear for the option for 7 Echo Papa.
Let's trim out. All right, come down to 2,000.
Concord Tower, Skyhawk 211, Tango Delta, frequency change.
System 1 Tango Delta, frequency change for good day.
Change, have a good day. 211, Tango Delta.
Sure it's not tailwind?
Oh, we're showing 110 and 94 ground speed. We actually have a lot of headwind.
Oh, wow.
A lot of headwind. So these clouds are coming out that way.
Wow. This is actually pretty wild.
Yeah, I'm not sure what it's like on the coast, dude.
Oh my god, man, I just want to like reach out and touch him, actually.
Yeah.
That's crazy. Like,
I'm going to go straight out that way toward the Bay Bridge right now. I see the Bay Bridge.
Yeah.
And let's take a look and see what we end up with. I'm already at 1,600, and this thing is kind of bringing me down. Yeah, I don't think... All right, let's stay right here. I don't want to go any lower.
There's at least one guy in a boat going the cloudy weather.
So this is where most of the weather is, but we need to go out that way.
Oh, we're actually good, I think, yeah.
It looks a little bit better this way, yeah. Let's go back up to 2,000. Altitude is always good. Yeah, they're coming straight at us, man. Our ground speed is 80 knots. All right, 2,000. Dude, I can barely see the city.
It's definitely obscured.
Yeah.
There's the Bay Bridge, right?
That's the, no, the Bay Bridge is right there.
Yeah, that's the Bay Bridge.
I mean, that's the city. That's the outline of the city. And there's the Golden Gate Bridge.
Right, Alcatraz is right there.
Yeah, exactly. Halfmoon Bay just one marginal VFR. So much for that. All right, do we have any traffic around us? We're not on frequency with anybody. We do have traffic around us, okay. I'm gonna make a left turn. Let's head back to Concord and we'll try and figure out what to do in the meantime. Okay, I've got traffic around me here.
Number 3 Tango Papa, Oakland Tower 18.3.
Now we're gonna fly with the clouds.
Exactly.
Here comes this crazy tailwind,
yeah,
man.
exactly. Our speed is gonna pick up, no doubt.
Oh, already.
I totally feel it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
wow,
we're doing 125.
We are fast, man.
Contact information Julius, 2053 Zulu, wind 180 at 6, visibility on 0, view clouds at 2,000.
Yes, we were deceived.
Yes, we were, man.
That's okay, I'm still having fun.
Well, we've got a chance to bump around here.
Yeah.
Dr. Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey is 11 to the southwest of the field. With Juliet, full stop.
Cessna 9501 Whiskey Concord Tower, make right traffic, runway 1 and a right. Report on the 45 traffic, Cessna right, close traffic.
Right traffic, make right traffic, 1 and a right. We'll report on the 45, 9501 Whiskey. All right, might get a little bumpy over the hills.
Cessna 8 Mike Echo, runway 1 and a left, good for the option traffic, 5 mile final for the parallel runway citation.
Clear for the option 19 and left, 8 Mike Echo, looking for traffic.
So even with cooler weather, you should still expect some kind of turbulence.
No, it's the wind. It's the wind.
It's the wind?
Yeah.
And Concord Tower, helicopter 132, Bravo Hotel, 10 miles to the south, 2,400, requesting a north transition, staying on the east side of the field.
Concord 132, Bravo Hotel, Concord Tower, transition approved. Concord altimeter 29904, traffic, Cessna left close traffic, and a Cessna right close traffic.
I'll be looking for the airplane, 132, Bravo Hotel.
Concord Tower, Skyhawk 9501 Whiskey 45 to the right, downwind 1 and a right.
Cessna 0 Whiskey number 2, follow such a short final, runway 1 and a right, clear to land.
1 and a right, clear to land, number 2, 0 Whiskey.
I'm looking.
He is on short final. At least we get one pattern in today. He should be on short final, so he should be touching down on the side.
Oh, nope, never mind. That's a guy that just took off our 3 o'clock.
Yeah, that was probably
There.
him.
Yep. Touch and go right now. Taking off.
All right, there's my 85, nose down.
Cessna 8, Mike Echo, runway 1 and left, clear for the option.
One way, 19 left, clear for the option, Lima Echo.
Now we're a little high, power out.
Ever better.
No, it's fine, but that worried me a little bit as I was
little
pulling
clunk
it
there?
back. There's a little bit of, oh, what is that sound? I'm curious.
Yeah.
So this is 0 Whiskey, turn left taxiway Juliet, and hold short runway 1 and left from in this frequency.
Left on Juliet, hold short 1 and left, and stay with you, 0 Whiskey.
So this is 0 Whiskey, keep your speed up, cross runway 1 and left, contact ground, 1 enter.
Okay, speed up, cross 1 and left, and over to ground, 0 Whiskey.